Okay, so we just ordered this last night, which is crazy. That it got here so quickly. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me again. Today we are doing another unboxing. So let's go ahead and get this box open. It literally just arrived. It's extremely unusual for me to open boxes as soon as I get them, but let's see what's in here. Oh, it's Verizon. Oh gosh. Okay, so we just ordered this last night, which is crazy. That it got here so quickly. Okay, so this is a router for our internet. We literally just got this last night. They said it was going to take like 5 days to get here, but I guess not. Let's go ahead and pop this bad boy open. Okay, so this is the top. Ooh. This is really nice. Okay, so the one that we currently have looks very similar to this one. But this is supposed to be the new upgraded version. So it comes with the Ethernet cord and the power cord. I really appreciate how companies package their stuff. Like it's so nice. They don't even have to do all of this. Like, this is beautiful. This kind of looks like I'm opening up a Nike product. Maybe that's what they were going for. Take this out. This inside. There's nothing there. Okay. This is really nice. Now, granted, the one that we already have is just as nice, if not nicer, but this is supposed to be the upgraded version. So that's nice. I'm going to blur out all of our personal information because I don't want y'all trying to log into my internet if you're near my house. Okay, so hopefully this will help boost our internet connection a lot better because y'all, we were on the phone with them yesterday for about 2 hours and all they kept doing was trying to help boost our connection because we're paying for a service that we're technically not getting. Like, we've never been able to get the speed that we've been paying for. So we're supposed to have this speed that I think is a 1 gigabyte download speed, and it's supposed to be 1 gigabyte upload speed. And granted, they do say that you'll get those speeds if you directly connect to the box itself or to the router itself. But even when we've connected directly to the router, we've never gotten that high of a download or upload speed. And we've been running tests on it for the past couple of weeks. And based off of their website, they'll give you specific numbers. But then whenever we run it on non-Verizon websites, it's always dramatically lower. And then when I'm actually downloading something, I don't get nowhere near as much the speed as both the Verizon website and the competitor's website says that I'm supposed to be getting. Verizon pretty much says that we're supposed to be getting about 35 megabytes. I'll show a screenshot of the last couple tests that we ran on Verizon's site. We're supposed to be getting close to 930 to 35 or 36 megabytes in download speed. Complete lie. And similar, the same speed in upload. But on competitors' websites that we've ran tests on, theirs have never exceeded 400 megabytes. So they're 9 times out of 10 only basing it off of the wireless connection, which for Verizon, their wireless connection says that we're supposed to be getting like 500 plus download speed and a little bit less upload speed. We've never gotten close to that, you guys. I just downloaded a video, an hour-long video yesterday. The video was about 191 megabytes. So that means that that video should have downloaded in a split second. Like if we're getting these speeds per second, not per minute, not per hour, per second, then that video should have downloaded within a split second. That's not what happened. It took 45 minutes to an hour for that video to download. So we were only getting 69 to 73 gigabytes per second download speed. So please, I just want them to explain to me how any of that makes sense. It may have been one time, luck of the draw, I downloaded a 4-hour video and it downloaded in less than 10 minutes. One time. And I've downloaded plenty of videos that were hours long. It was one video I downloaded that was an 8-hour video. It took that video damn near 8 to 10 hours to download. It was ridiculous. So I have lots of questions for Verizon, but I will give them an opportunity to save face by us hooking this up, getting this going. We're going to call them back, have them reboot this from their location to make sure it's operating at optimal speed on their end, and then we'll test it out. And I will come back to you guys with an update on what results we are getting. Now, granted, I do love Verizon Internet. That's the only reason why we've had it for the past 10 years. But boy, oh boy, do they make it hard to keep justifying staying with them. Plus, you know, what we're paying for, we're literally paying, what, $30 more than what we should based off the speed that we have because they've upgraded their service. So that's kind of our fault for not checking in. So we're going to get those discounts because we're going to keep the speed, because every time we go to try to update our service, they always try to keep us at the same price. And they claim that they're going to give us faster speeds, and we're never getting faster speeds. Like, everything seems to stay the same. So we're going to stay at this particular speed because, I mean, to be honest, I don't think we're going to get anything faster than that, even though they claim they have a 2 gigabyte at the $80, $90 mark is supposed to be 2 gigabyte download speed. I don't believe that for a second. Not 1 second. So we're going to stay at the 1 gigabyte download speed, and we may upgrade in the future if this actually starts working properly. We stream a lot of videos. Sometimes it's choppy. It does like the rolling wheel of death. Yeah, it's like we shouldn't have any issues with streaming anything. There should be no glitching. There should be no stopping. There should be no rendering. But we get all of that, even though we have such a fast and expensive internet service. Please explain that to me, you guys. If anybody in the comment section has, I guess, like any further understanding of this and can kind of give me some insight on what I may not be understanding, please feel free to let me know in the comment section below. But other than that, we will see how this bad boy works out. I'm excited. And yeah, I will keep you guys posted. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.